friends, welcome to Indian cultural competition. Today I am going to make snack salad train. Okay, let's start making that. First, you need to make the mixture of salad. To make it, cut all the vegetables you have. I have chosen tomato, onion and sprouts and carrot. After grating it, just mix it with a spoon with adding pinch of salt. After mixing, the mixture looks like this. Then now, let us take a 50-50 biscuit. It looks like this. Even you can take crackjack biscuit. Now we need another ingredient called mayonnaise. Take the biscuit and dip in a little amount of mayonnaise and paste it with another biscuit. And now paste this biscuits like a box, which looks like this. Let's see it deeper. Okay. Now, like the same way, make another 2 more boxes. After adding 2 more boxes of biscuit, the train looks like this. This is a train which have 2 compartments. Let's start filling the train. Let us now start putting the mixture of our salad into the train. After adding the salad in our boxes of train compartments, it looks like this. For decoration, we can add some sprouts at top of them. You can even add some more mayonnaise in top. For external taste, you can even add tomato ketchup or sauce. Now our train salad is ready, but it is not ready completely. Now let us give a beautiful face to the salad. For that, take small chocolate balls like this, dip in mayonnaise and keep it in biscuit looks like ice. After adding face, the train looks like this. Now our train salad is ready. Thank you. This train salad looks awesome. Try it in your home. It is very good in taste.